What's up guys, it's your horror hostess and mass mistress here with another unboxing. Today I have a Quint figure from NECA, from the classic horror movie Jaws. This figure comes from NECA and you can find them online or in retail stores. So let's dive right in and check out this Quint figure. Quint comes with a ton of accessories, so let's review them now. So let's go ahead and start with the accessories that's already on him. He comes with a hat that can come on and off, a nice little jacket and a pair of pants, and then his shoes, which don't come off. He comes with a couple different sets of hands and they're interchangeable. So let's go ahead and see what he looks like without the hat. Let's see what he looks like with the machete. Here is him holding his harpoon gun. He looks awesome with his bandana on. And here I've got his rifle slung across his shoulder. And who could forget the part where he chugs the beer and crushes the can? And of course the scene where he breaks the radio so they can't call for help. Jaws is one of the greatest classic horror films of all time and actually one of the first horror films I ever saw. All the characters are awesome and there's no bad actors in the film. Quint is probably my favorite character from the movie. Robert Shaw played Quint and he's a renowned actor that has many accomplishments. He does a fantastic job in the film and he's extremely convincing. I'd say it's one of the best portrayals of a role in all of the horror genre. As you all know, Jaws has one of the best soundtracks of all time. The score in the film is really unsettling and very suspenseful. It's crazy to think that this movie is rated PG. It blows my mind. It's so scary and gory and has cursing. I mean, the 70s were just awesome. But I know why it wasn't rated PG-13. PG-13 just didn't exist back then. I'm sure a lot of kids loved the fact that it wasn't rated PG-13 or rated R because they could easily rent it. I mean, anytime you're going to swim in the ocean or swim in a lake, someone usually always mentions the movie Jaws. It's almost like Jaws is as big as Star Wars. Now I'm gonna get some close-ups with a different camera and hopefully it'll do a better job.
Show me the way to go. I'm tired and I wanna go to bed. I had a little drink about an hour ago, and it just got right to my head. Wherever I may roam, by land or sea or foam, show me the way to go home. I'm tired and I wanna go to bed. I had a little drink about an hour ago, and it got right to my head.
Back home, we got a taxidermy man. He's gonna have a heart attack when he sees what I brought him. Come on, Chief, this isn't no Boy Scout picnic. See, you got your rubbers. Here lies the body of Mary Lee. Died at the age of 103. For 15 years, she kept her virginity. Not a bad record for this vicinity. Fish, eh? Marlin, stingray, been through this piano wire. Don't you tell me my business again. You get back on the bridge.
That doesn't prove a damn thing.
Well, it proves one thing, Mr. Hooper. It proves that you wealthy college boys don't have the education enough to admit when you're wrong. Here's to swimming with bow-legged women.
But it's not gonna be pleasant. I value my neck a lot more than $3,000, Chief. I'll find him for 3, but I'll catch him and kill him for 10.
Sometimes that sharky looks right into you, right into your eyes. You know the thing about a shark, he's got lifeless eyes, black eyes, like a doll's eyes. When he comes at you, he doesn't seem to be living until he bites you, and those black eyes roll over white, and then you hear that terrible high-pitched screaming. The ocean turns red, and in spite of all the pounding and the hollering, they all come in, they rip you to pieces.
Y'all know me, know how I earn a living. I'll catch this bird for you, but it ain't gonna be easy. Bad fish. Not like going down the pond chasing bluegills or tommycocks. This shark, swallow you whole. Shaking, tenderizing, down you go.
Also, don't forget to stab and slice the like and subscribe button. That way you can keep up to date with me and all my videos. Well, here's to swimming with bow-legged women. Thanks for watching another episode of Tony's Terrace, and I'll see you guys next time.